ट्रीज के बाद स्पीसीज, ट्रीज स्पीसीज in a gradient of nitrogen deposition, nitrogen ये भी चलेगा।
Dear friend, it is great pleasure for me that today Hariom Verma is going to deliver his pre-PhD seminar on the topic ecological analysis of plant functional traits of dried and scrubby forest discussing the gradient of nitrogen deposition. Please, Hariom.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon to respected head sir, respected teachers, and all fellow research scholars. I am here to present my pre-PhD seminar on the topic ecological analysis of plant functional traits of dry tropical tree species in a gradient of wind deposition. I would like to introduce some key terms which comes in this presentation. Nitrogen deposition is the third greatest driver of global biodiversity loss. Plant functional traits, any morphological, physiological, and phenological plant characteristics affecting overall plant fitness through their influence on survival, growth, and reproduction. Plant functional traits respond to environmental change and can be indicative of climate change. They reflect individual adaptations and functional characteristics of the ecosystem. Plant functional types, group of plant species with similar traits and functions with respect to multiple environmental factors. Tropical dry deciduous forest, tropical climate with summer rainfall 500 to 1500 and a dry period of 5 to 8 months. This is the dominant forest type in India. Need of the study. When nitrogen deposition is decreasing in developed countries, it is increasing in developing countries like India and China. Previous studies by various authors has categorized India and China in a high deposition category. Work by International Nitrogen Management System has highlighted the key points. India is emerging as a global hotspot for nitrogen pollution. Increased dependence on nitrogen fertilizer and low nitrogen uptake by crops is resulting in its leakage into the environment. Much of India's air is linked to the ammonia from agriculture and nitrogen oxide from combustion fuels. In year 2005, India surpasses United States in terms of nitrogen fertilizer use. When we compare the year 2015 to 1918, we found that the use of nitrogen fertilizer in India increased 4 times. And India's energy demand has tripled over the last 3 decades, which is also reflecting in the energy-related emissions of major air pollutants. The level of NOx has reached to near 8 teragram